Cracked or scratched glass can tarnish your business's image. At Washington, D.C. Glass Repair, we offer professional commercial glass restoration services. Our experts work round the clock to restore your glass windows and doors quickly and efficiently. We help businesses in D.C., Virginia, and Maryland shine again. Picture this: your office, restaurant, or retail store with blemish-free glass surfaces that impress customers. We save you up to 80% compared to full glass replacements. Why choose us? Our team specializes in 24-hour emergency response, comprehensive restoration services, fast and affordable solutions tailored for your business, serving all areas, including downtown DC, Alexandria, Arlington, and Bethesda. With our service, your business will look sleek and inviting. Don't let damaged glass affect your reputation. Call Washington, D.C. Glass Repair today. Washington, D.C. 202-830-8600 Virginia 703-992-5555 Maryland 301-905-822 Washington, D.C. Glass Repair, restoring glass, restoring confidence.